Welcome everybody. Today we've got Tomax and Xamot, the twin brothers on Cobra. They were supposedly they ran Cobra's business dealings and made profits and supported the organization so they could, build a private army. The difference is, I think I just read it and I'm trying to remember. Xamot has put the scar on his cheek. May not even show up on camera, but he's got a little pink scar on his cheek that denotes them. There's not one on here. That was clear, and their total mirror images each other. Even the hair's parted on opposite sides, and when the uniforms are mirrors of each other. I did notice on these they have these knee pads are. Looking at that, stick out. I haven't noticed that in any of the other Joes where they got very pronounced knee pads. I'll just show you. Got the sidearm over here, knife down in the boot. The sash, I guess, is that. You got a pauldron on one side. No real, nothing really exciting on the back. Just the they came with. This was their weapon. They both had that, and it's far too big for the action figure to actually use because when you put it in their hand, it does not go straight. It doesn't even pretend to, and there's no adjusting it to make it do anything but go wonky. It's gonna be hard to hit anything when you're aiming like that. But but there they are. It seems like I picked these up when I was on vacation somewhere, or my mom paid for them. My parents paid for them when I was was out and about. They do have their heads nod. That's something I don't even remember when that started. I just noticed that once I started doing this. I'm sure I probably noticed it back in the day, but I didn't remember that detail. But anyway, that's Tomax and Xamot, the leaders of the Cobra corporate area, I guess what you'd call it. And they're supposedly empathic, can feel each other's pain and talk to each other's sentences, finish each other's sentences and all that good stuff too. But, anyway, thanks for watching everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. There's plenty more to go where this came from. See you next time.